Good afternoon, Rich Nass, Executive Vice President with Open Systems Media, here for a presentation to discuss AI, IoT, blockchain, and all that good stuff on behalf of Aetina. I'm here with Jeremy Cook, who's going to walk us through a presentation to make all those acronyms that I just went through all make sense. How you doing, Jeremy?
Good, Rich. How are you today?
Very good, thanks.
Great.
So very quickly, summarize what the audience will be learning from this presentation.
So yeah, Rich, I'm here speaking on behalf of Aetina. We'll be going over the concept and structure of AIM, which is the Aetina Intelligent Management software package. We'll explain how it can enhance your system and help you deploy your solution in the AI market. More importantly, for somebody totally new to the system, I'll go over some ideas for evaluating the AIM with your particular AI project. So starting off, you may question just how Aetina can help in terms of applications in the current AI market. First, Aetina brings extensive experience in edge AI development, as they started with the development of GPU or general purpose GPU solutions. GPUs can effectively assist in the development of AI applications, and with experience in this field, they can effectively help clients develop top-notch edge computing solutions. With this experience, they've designed the Aetina Intelligent Management, or AIM system, to propel the development of AI projects. The goal here is to turn development pain points into highlights of your system. They can provide a comprehensive and professional AI service. So setting up AI applications is complicated, requiring a diverse and complex field of knowledge. With this in mind, Aetina assists with the connection, clarification, and usage for every layer of the AI application, making AI service more professional and complete. Aetina provides not only hardware services, but they help to accelerate the generation of applications to reduce difficulties during the development stages. From here, we can officially enter the topic of AIM, again, Aetina Intelligent Management, as IoT and AI are both developing rapidly. Let's clarify Aetina's role as well as now as well as in the future. We'll continue to integrate functions across various fields. This can be AI models like NVIDIA's Isaac, Clara, and Metropolis, as well as the well-known YOLO, communications like 4G, 5G, and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth modules, as well as a variety of sensors that live on the edge. The goal is to unify the language and quickly integrate and transform platforms into usable tools. We're heavily integrated into the NVIDIA platform, which we believe offers the best AI computing capabilities. The basic AIM structure is that data flows from the cloud to the server and finally to various edge devices. Aetina provides professional AI services for suppliers to quickly resolve AI application evaluation and development timeframes, allowing AI to be closer to the human world. Aetina has three main applications: Edge AI, Edge Store, and Edge Deploy. We'll talk about this in more detail later in the presentation, but for now, let's explore the overall architecture. This is our architecture here, and as seen here, AIM is broken up into a 4-level structure. The base level is the AI platform, including hardware and the operating system. On top of that are mid and application levels, being the AI framework and AI application. Finally is the AI cloud with its big database and other functions that just provide for all kinds of functionality for your system. Aetina's main verified hardware for running this includes NVIDIA's NGC-ready Super Edge AI training machine and the Mega Edge AI interface platform capable of executing fog computing and edge interfacing. Finally, at the edge itself, the edge device is a series of NVIDIA Jetson Edge computing platforms, which can help clients build customized industrial applications. Currently, the Aetina platform runs on Ubuntu and Windows platforms. Per market demand, they're also working to make it available for Android in the near future. For the AI framework, Aetina divided work elements into two main parts. One is the algorithm and the other is the framework tools. Preset algorithms include NLP, deep learning, and machine learning, which will make the initial stages of your platform development easy and free of obstacles. Frameworks include PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Keras. If you're a developer that only requires a basic platform, you'll be able to complete application development very quickly. If you're a developer that needs a more advanced approach, Aetina presents a convenient environment in which to undergo AI project development. So let's go ahead and discuss AIM's three main applications. First up is Edge, which is a software platform aimed at hardware status monitoring. The challenge here is that with edge computing, you're naturally dealing with remote edge devices. So you need a way to get information about these devices without being on site. Edge monitors local hardware conditions for you and can provide warnings when problems arise. Edge is a browser-based solution, so as long as you have an internet connection, monitoring is possible on your own hardware. Monitoring can be customized to your particular needs, such as checking the status of CPU or GPU, and it allows for remote control and one-step recovery. Edge can be helpful for testing during system failures and can greatly help decrease management and maintenance costs. Next, let's take a look at the Edge Store. It features project evaluation, an algorithm market, and quicker porting. It's based on the concept of an app store that you've certainly seen for your phone or tablet, and it helps developers quickly evaluate AI projects and choose the right one. With the proper initial project selection, subsequent implementation can be done smoothly. The finally important link in AI application is the deployment. When the AI model is built and learned, deployment and application in a large area is often required. Edge Deploy helps to effectively utilize various resources combined with levels of application to enable effective connection and shared resources. The roles of these packages are to help with deployment of AI projects. Aetina has always thought of AI as a humanized technology. Therefore, the AIM system is meant to bring industrial AI closer to humans and to be carried out into the market. Of course, all of this wouldn't be possible without the cloud, which can provide a massive amount of data storage and even help with management and deployment of your edge devices. Aetina is in the process of developing data protection functions for this level, ensuring easy access while keeping it out of the digital hands of others. While that's the end of the introduction to the AIM system structure, what I want to share next is a blueprint for the future of edge AI technology. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is developing very quickly. And what we're seeing now is the addition of AI to this tech for a new paradigm known as AIoT, or Artificial Intelligent Internet of Things. While we believe that AIoT is the current trend, we also believe that we need a safer IoT mechanism. Therefore, we'd like to propose the ABIoT, combining AI, blockchain, and IoT. We believe this can offer a more rigorous encryption mechanism of data and even enhance the value of shared AI models. Let's consider the concept of AIoT paired with blockchain a bit further. The edge device on the left is able to successfully work with optimized AI model data through incremental training and improvement. The end result can be protected on the blockchain's encryption mechanism and uploaded and saved on the cloud blockchain. The two edge devices on the right could belong to two different manufacturers or even users, but they can both utilize the blockchain's paid encryption mechanism to download and deploy the model generated from the device on the left. New and improved models can also be securely deployed through the cloud as they arise. So in conclusion, as its name states, AIM, Aetina Intelligent Management, is a management system built for AI solutions. It's meant to assist AI application developers as they incorporate these solutions. Blockchain, that is the ABIoT, provides added security, and AIM also acts as a platform for sharing models. As edge AI becomes more important, this can be critical for company visibility as well as bottom line revenue. Along with this, Aetina is forming an AI alliance to help integrate with an increasing number of AI applications. What you're seeing now is a list of our partners who are experts in their respective fields and the best in their industries. We hope to continue this expansion of this AI strategic alliance and sharing of technology and expertise. Thanks so much for listening. If you'd like information, you can scan the QR codes here shown to get in touch. We look forward to hearing from you.
Well, thank you, Jeremy. That was Fantastic. I know I learned a lot, but I do have some questions, as you probably anticipated. So the first question I have is, what role will Aetina play in the development of AI stacks and the integration of those stacks?
Aetina can integrate sensors with an overall AI system, making it easy for those who are new to this world to jump into AI. We can also help those who are experienced with AI manage their current solution.
Excellent. And then how can Aetina's aim vary when it's put into action?
So as discussed earlier, we proposed the idea of ABIoT, which is artificial intelligence, blockchain plus IoT. This adds the power of blockchain to enable a larger and more robust AI sharing platform in the future. Participating AI companies can expect this to be important for their visibility and revenue.
Fantastic. And then finally, what would the next step be in the partnership between Aetina and NVIDIA when it comes to AIM?
So as NVIDIA keeps releasing new GPU modules, Aetina will upgrade their softwares to support them. Even beyond that, Aetina plans to refine the AIM system to integrate more fully with NVIDIA hardware, creating an even better AI solution going into the future.